Good day to all of you. I am Mr. Christopher for our PLC training. Once again, we are here for another lesson in our control technology. This is a continuation of our introduction in the PLC programming we did last time. Our topic for today is the way on how to check and simulate the new program in PLC. This activity will guide you on how to check and simulate the operation of a new program using a Mitsubishi PLC unit model FX3G or FX2N. We assume that the GXWorks application and the PLC program is already open. So what you can do is to click the compile. You can click the compile here, compile, then choose build, then it will come as this. Then on the second time, click again compile and click rebuild all. The rebuild will check for any program errors. As my experience in using this Mitsubishi model, I need to compile the program twice so that it will not remind me again to rebuild my program later when it is to be downloaded. Click the program diagnostics. Click PLC diagnostics. Okay, so in this you can see some errors, the power, status, the run, and other functions. It will appear on your screen. It is important that you check and simulate the program before you download to the PLC. Otherwise, it would take much time in repeating the steps and over again. So what we can do in order to simulate this program? What you will do is to click online. Then you will choose Start Simulation. At first, we start on Debug. Then click Start Stop Simulation to proceed to simulation mode. Okay, the dialog will come and just wait for the dialog box, then close. So this is already now in the simulation mode. But in order to start this system, you need to again click debug and you will click the modify value. This setup is particular to the model we are using. In different devices or different models of PLC, this simulation mode is different. Okay, if you want to click the X0, then it will come as on. If you press on, then look what will happen. Okay, so as you can see that Y0 here is responding on what we have done in X0. Okay, then you have to press again off. Okay, this X0 is already off, but still Y0 is on. In order to turn off this Y0, then you need to press X1 as our stop button. So you need to click X1, then we need to click switch on and off. Then what will happen is the Y0 responded that it's already turned off. Okay, the advantage of using this switch on and off, so you don't have to consider if the switch is on or off. Okay, see that? Again. So if I want to turn on the Y0 or the coil output, I need to click first the first switch, which serves as the start button. So what should I do? I'll click the switch on off button. So in order to start the Y0 output. So look what will happen. Then I click for the second time to turn it back to the normal position. As you can see again, the Y0 is turning on. Simultaneous with Y0 holding contact on this side near or parallel to start button X0. In order to stop the circuit, so we have to click X1 and push the button switch on off. Then the system responds. Then you turn it off again to return back to its normal position. It is turned off. Based on the example, X1 is the stop button. If the circuit is responded, that means that your circuit is good. To return back to the edit mode of the circuit or writing, you need to press again the debug button. So click again the start stop simulation. Then it will return back to its normal setting for editing. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned from this lesson and see you next time on our Say Hi online training. Goodbye.